chewy fruit and nut granola bars. Grab a bowl, put the oats in the bowl, add some sliced almonds, coconut flakes, and a fruit and nut mixture. Mix that together. In a saucepan, put the coconut oil, the brown rice syrup, the brown sugar, some almond butter, and cook that until everything is dissolved. You can go ahead and you can add some vanilla, some nutmeg, cinnamon, and salt, and stir that all together. When it's ready, pour the mixture over the oat mix and mix it together until everything is thoroughly coated. Grab a 13 by 9 pan and press the mixture into the pan. You can bake this at 350 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes, and voila, the best granola bar you've ever eaten.